Hey guys, within this video I'm going to show you exactly how to deposit real money on your Pokerstars account on iPhone or mobile device. So you want to go over to the Pokerstars app on whichever device you have it installed. In my case I'm using an iPhone, but it works exact same on Android. Click into your Pokerstars account, and then in the very top right hand section there's a cashier button. You want to click that and it's going to open up the cashier. Within a little second it will load. So this is the page to actually deposit money onto your account. I already have a Visa debit card synced up to the account, but you won't have that, you won't see that at the moment. So go to more payment methods, and this is going to give you a bunch of different options to deposit money from into your Pokerstars account. Let's say that you want to use a MasterCard debit, you would go in here, and then Pokerstars is going to give you different options about how much money you want to deposit onto the account. 20, 50, 100. Let's just type in 10. From there, click the deposit button below, and then that's going to give you the options to type in your 16-digit card number, the month and year on the expiry of the card, the 3 security numbers on the back, and from there, after you've added all the details, press the button, the arrow pointing right, the green button next to make a deposit. Type that in, or click that button rather, and that will deposit the money from your card into your Pokerstars account. I'm going to click out of here, and if you've done it correctly, where it says cashier in the top right now, it should be about 10 Great British pounds or whatever fee you actually deposited into your account. From there, you can go into cash games, sit and goes, tournaments, and play whichever poker games you would like to. Well guys, this has been another video for the My Tech Mastery YouTube channel. If it's been helpful, please subscribe and like.